Welcome back to another video, and in this video we'll talk about PHP if-else statement. Let's say I want to set $val 1 3 $val 2 4. So now I want to set if condition. So I will say if $val 2 is greater than $val 1, then show $val 2 is greater than $val 1. So here you can see we have to write if statement in PHP like this. You have to use a condition here, if, then condition, then curly braces, opening and closing, right? And inside it we have to write statement. So this is if, okay, and we will use else here, and that is echo $variable 1 is greater than $val 2. Now go to the browser, and here you can see we have our, okay, let me just refresh here. So what is our file name actually? PHP if else, right? So this is the file. So I will click here, and here you can see 4 is greater than 3. Extra, okay, we just need to remove it. And if I refresh, here you can see 4 is greater than 3. And if I set here 4 and here 3, now our else statement will be counted. Refresh, 4 is greater than 3, and that is our val 1. Okay, so I hope you understand. So this is how actually you can use if else statement. Thanks for watching.